Testes and ovaries, same thing, come from the same thing, almost do exactly the same thing. And if you think I'm wrong, follow and listen here. Hi, I'm your local OBGYN. I love women, and let's talk about it. So if you've ever heard of the ovaries referred to as lady balls, you're technically not wrong, unless you dislike hearing feminine anatomy referred to coming from the male perspective. But let's get through to the medicine of this. So essentially, when you are an embryo inside of the womb, at that point, for the first 6 to 7 weeks, you cannot tell the difference if an embryo is male or female. And that is because the development of those gonads has not started yet, and they come from the same embryonic ridge in development. It's not until something called the SRP gene, which comes from the XY males, is actually expressed, and then there's a differentiation where you actually start to see testicles develop, and if the SRP gene does not get expressed, then you get ovaries. And both of these things, both the sets of balls, testes or ovaries, they essentially do the same function. They make the same steroids. They both produce sex hormones. They both get the same signals from our hypothalamic system, from our brain to midsection and out with our hormones. And I'm going to tell you something. When guys complain that they get whacked in the boy parts, what do you think it feels like to take one to the ovary? Girls know. You know, whether it's from intimacy or something else, if you take a good you will know it hurts. So they do come from the same place. They do function similarly. One just produces more female sex hormones, the other male, and they both deal with reproduction as well.